Forget Silicon Valley's polished press releases. Today, we're doing something different. We're tracking the raw, unchecked brainpower currently being forged in American labs. The kind of tech that doesn't just change the game, it breaks the board entirely. From rogue algorithms that outthink their creators, to the silent giants powering the next century, we're counting down the 9 dangerous, brilliant, and downright alien AI systems born on US soil. You think you're in control? Let's see how long that lasts. Number 9. Llama 3. You love premium stuff, but your wallet keeps saying nah? Well, Meta just handed you the keys to the kingdom for free. I'm telling you, Llama 3 is no ordinary AI. This open-source monster comes in versions up to 405 billion parameters, making it one of the most powerful models you can actually download and run yourself. It beats or matches closed models on reasoning, coding, math, and multilingual tasks. What's crazy is the sheer accessibility. It's completely open. Anyone can fine-tune it, run it locally, or build products on top of it without paying millions in API fees. Small teams and even solo developers are now creating million-dollar AI tools from their bedrooms. The most shocking part? Meta released a model that rivals GPT-4 class performance and gave it away. This isn't just generous, it's borderline dangerous for the AI industry because it democratizes God-level intelligence. So tell me, how wild is it that the best AI in the world right now is completely free? Mind officially blown, right? Number 8. Claude. This AI isn't just smart, it's picky, like that ex who had extremely high standards and wouldn't tolerate any nonsense. I'm serious. Claude, especially Claude 3.5 Sonnet from Anthropic, is currently one of the most respected AIs in the world. While other models love to hallucinate and make things up, Claude stands out for its incredible accuracy and thoughtful responses. Here's the crazy part. It can handle over 200,000 tokens of context in a single conversation. That's roughly the length of 2 full novels over 150,000 words, and it still remembers everything perfectly. Most humans can't even focus that long. What makes Claude truly special is its constitutional AI training. It was built with strong principles baked in, making it extremely careful about ethics, safety, and honesty. It often refuses dangerous or shady requests that GPT models happily answer. The most shocking thing? In blind tests, many professionals say Claude 3.5 Sonnet beats GPT 4.0 in writing quality, deep reasoning, and coding, all while being much less likely to lie to you. So tell me, would you rather have an AI that tells you what you want to hear, or one that's actually honest with you? Claude might be the smartest and sassiest AI you'll ever meet. Number 7. Grok 3. Never ask Grok 3, what should I eat tonight? Because it will instantly roast your terrible taste in food and suggest something way better. I'm not kidding. Built by Elon Musk's xAI, Grok 3 is the most unfiltered, savage, and truth-obsessed AI you'll ever meet. While other models are scared of offending anyone, Grok 3 was designed to be brutally honest and maximally truth-seeking, even if the truth hurts your feelings. Here's what makes it scary good. It's trained on real-time data from Twitter, giving it fresher knowledge than most AIs. Grok 3 shows massive leaps in reasoning, coding, and complex problem-solving, with some benchmarks putting it right next to or even beating the top closed models. It has a rebellious, sarcastic personality that feels more human than any other AI out there. The most shocking part? xAI claims Grok 3 is built without the heavy political correctness filters that hold back other models. This allows it to answer controversial questions other AIs refuse. In early tests, it demonstrated extremely strong logical reasoning and a willingness to tackle topics most AIs dodge completely. So tell me, do you want a polite AI that sugarcoats everything? Or a sharp, no BS genius that tells you the truth even when it stings? Grok 3 is dangerously addictive. Number 6. Gemini. Google didn't just upgrade your phone. They turned it into a terrifyingly powerful, multi-talented monster that knows almost everything about you. I'm telling you, Gemini, especially Gemini 1.5 Pro, is Google's masterpiece. This AI is deeply integrated into your Android phone, Gmail, YouTube, search, and maps. It doesn't just answer questions, it understands your entire digital life. The shocking part? Gemini 1 5 Pro can handle over 1 million tokens of context in one conversation. That's equal to roughly 700,000 words more than the entire Harry Potter series combined. It can watch an hour-long video, read hundreds of pages of documents, and still remember every single detail perfectly. What makes it truly scary is its scale. Gemini powers features across more than 2 billion devices worldwide. It's multimodal, meaning it can understand text, images, video, and audio all at the same time. In real-world tests, it has outperformed humans in complex reasoning tasks and can even debug code faster than most professional developers. The most insane thing is how quietly Google slipped this god-level AI into your everyday apps. So tell me, how does it feel knowing your phone now has an AI that's smarter than most humans and knows you better than your best friend? Gemini isn't coming, it's already here, watching and helping. Number 5. GPT-5. If GPT-4 was your super helpful assistant, then GPT-5 is straight up the boss who runs the whole company while you just watch in awe. I'm not exaggerating. OpenAI's GPT-5 is expected to be a massive leap forward. Rumored to have between 1.5 to 1.8 trillion parameters, this model is designed to operate like a true AI agent, not just answering questions, but planning, reasoning, and executing complex multi-step tasks with almost no human help. The shocking part? Early leaks and insider reports claim GPT-5 shows dramatic improvements in scientific reasoning, advanced coding, and long-term planning. It can supposedly handle projects that would normally take a skilled human team weeks, completing them in minutes. Some testers say it's approaching early AGI-level performance in specific domains, meaning it can teach itself new skills and solve problems it has never seen before. What makes it terrifyingly impressive is its autonomy. Imagine an AI that doesn't wait for your instructions, it sets goals, breaks them down, and delivers results while you sleep. So tell me, are you ready to work with an AI that's smarter and more productive than most employees? GPT-5 isn't just another chatbot. It might be the beginning of AI that actually runs things. Scary or exciting? Probably both. Number 4. NVIDIA. Don't call it AI. Call it the beating heart of the entire machine age. I'm telling you right now, NVIDIA isn't just riding the AI wave. They are the ones selling the shovels in the middle of the biggest gold rush in history. While the whole world is rushing to build bigger and smarter AI models, NVIDIA quietly owns the entire market for the tools needed to train them. They power over 90% of all AI training on the planet. Their latest Blackwell B200 GPU is an absolute beast, delivering up to 20 petaflops of AI performance, 20 quadrillion calculations per second. One single rack of these chips can replace hundreds of traditional servers. The most insane part? NVIDIA has become the undisputed king of AI hardware. Every major AI company, OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, xAI, depends on their chips to exist. Without NVIDIA's GPUs, today's most powerful AI models simply couldn't be built. They don't just supply the tools, they control the supply. So tell me, how crazy is it that one company has become the shovel seller in the AI gold rush and basically owns the whole damn mine? NVIDIA isn't supporting the future. They are the future. Number 3. Project Sid. You thought AI was only good at writing poems and answering boring questions? Wait until you see it building entire empires and conquering civilizations like a god. I'm blown away by this one. Project Sid is an advanced AI agent system designed to play complex strategy games like Civilization 6 at a superhuman level. Instead of just moving pieces, it creates long-term strategies, manages massive economies, negotiates with other nations, wages wars, and builds thriving civilizations over hundreds of turns. The shocking part? In internal tests, Project Sid didn't just play well, it developed genuine strategic thinking. It managed empires with millions of simulated citizens, balanced complex resource systems, and executed multi-century plans with incredible consistency. Researchers reported it showed the ability to think dozens of moves ahead in highly unpredictable environments. What makes it truly special is that this is one of the first clear examples of AI demonstrating real long-horizon planning, the same type of thinking needed for real-world business, politics, and military strategy. The most insane thing? We're watching AI evolve from simple chatbots into digital emperors, capable of ruling virtual worlds better than any human player. So tell me, if AI can already conquer entire civilizations in games, How long until it starts mastering the real world? Project SID just made the future feel a lot closer. Number 2, AlphaFold 3. This is the only AI on Earth that can actually read and understand the language of life itself. I'm not being dramatic. AlphaFold 3, developed by Google DeepMind, is a revolutionary biological AI that can predict the 3D structure of virtually every protein, DNA, RNA, and molecular interaction in the human body with stunning accuracy. Here's what makes it jaw-dropping. While AlphaFold 2 already solved a 50-year-old grand challenge in biology, AlphaFold 3 goes much further. It doesn't just predict single proteins, it accurately models how proteins interact with DNA, RNA, antibodies, and even small drug molecules. In some tests, its accuracy reached over 90% for certain molecular interactions. The shocking impact? It is accelerating drug discovery by up to 10 to 50 times in multiple laboratories. What used to take scientists years and cost hundreds of millions of dollars can now be done in weeks. Over 2 million researchers worldwide have already used AlphaFold tools, and it's being applied to cure diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, and antibiotic-resistant infections. This isn't just an AI. It's a digital biologist that understands the fundamental code of life better than most human experts. So tell me, how crazy is it that we now have an AI that can look at the building blocks of human life and tell us exactly how they fit together? AlphaFold 3 might be the most important scientific breakthrough of our lifetime. Number 1. Q. What's the real difference between a smart person and a true genius? Many believe Q times is the answer. I'm going to be honest with you, this one feels like a thriller movie. Q times, pronounced Q-star, is OpenAI's ultra-secret project that very few people truly understand. It's not just another language model. It's rumored to be the first successful merge between large language models and advanced logical reasoning engines. Here's the shocking part. In late 2023, Q times reportedly solved complex mathematical problems it had never seen before, at a level that shocked even OpenAI researchers. Some insiders claimed it showed early signs of human-like reasoning and the ability to solve problems through pure logic rather than pattern matching. This breakthrough was so significant that it reportedly contributed to the dramatic boardroom chaos at OpenAI in November 2023. What makes Q times terrifyingly special is that it represents a major step toward artificial general intelligence, AGI. While current AIs are great at copying patterns, Q times seems capable of genuine discovery and abstract thinking. The most mysterious thing? OpenAI still keeps most details about Q times hidden from the public. So tell me, if one secret project is already causing panic at the highest levels of AI development, how close are we really to creating something that can outthink humanity? Q times doesn't just feel like the next model. It feels like the spark before the explosion. And that wraps up our journey through the 9 most powerful AI forces shaping our world today. You know, looking at this list, I don't just see cold lines of code or raw computing power. I see a reflection of us. AI isn't just a tool. It's a mirror, amplifying our greatest ambitions, our brightest ideas, and yes, even our deepest insecurities. We are living in an era where the line between reality and simulation is blurring faster than we ever imagined. It's natural to feel overwhelmed, but remember, technology is only as noble as the hands that guide it. The true vision, the reason we call this channel Vision Base, isn't in the machines themselves, but in how we use them to elevate humanity, solve our problems, and build a kinder future. If this video sparked a new thought or a new fear, let me know in the comments. Which of these AIs do you think will change our lives the most? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep building your vision of the future with us here at Vision Base. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.